I have a New Year's resolution for 2025 to learn more about all of the awesome upcoming designers and current trending designers based on what's popular on Essence. Essence isn't just a luxury shopping site, but it's actually the world's most valuable fashion design course, hiding in plain sight. I was easily overwhelmed by the amount of designers that are listed. It's basically like an insane mega database of pretty much every designer brand that's currently selling products. So instead of going one by one or just randomly clicking on these, I developed a little bit of a system where I'll scroll through the recent listings, click on something I like, take screenshots of the description, product photos, and pricing, and then upload those screenshots into this Custom GPT. I made a Custom GPT that helps me break down all of those aspects of the brand just from a few screenshots. If you want the link to this GPT, as well as this whiteboard and all my other whiteboards, link in the description. Earlier today, I did this exercise for the brand MAAP, which took me about 30 minutes. I researched the designer or creative director. I analyzed the key design elements like silhouette, materials, and construction, identified signature elements of the designer, how the pieces fit into current trends, price point and target market positioning. Then I picked 2 competitor brands listed within the Essence algorithm as similar products, and created a key comparisons table. The way that I came up with this exercise was by brainstorming with Claude, an AI by Anthropic. I figured since I spend so much time scrolling through Essence, I might as well find a way to take advantage of that time and actually learn something. So I wrote this prompt. I need help creating a fun and educational exercise for learning about fashion designs, trends, and designers. I want to use Essence as a playground to learn. Claude said, I'll help you create a structured learning exercise that takes advantage of your interest in browsing Essence. Since Essence features a curated selection of luxury and avant-garde designers, it's an excellent platform for studying fashion. Here's a suggested learning exercise. Claude recommended analyzing the design, researching the designer, and comparing pieces from this designer to another designer or brand. I took that output and then backed it up in this Figma document. Here is info about the designer and the brand with some supporting screenshots. Next, for the garment analysis, I picked 3 pieces from the same brand. I took screenshots of all the pieces as well as the description and price. And then I dropped those screenshots into the Custom GPT and just said MAAP for the name of the brand. The Custom GPT then gave a brand overview, a garment analysis for all 3 pieces that I attached, the comparative analysis, the brand's design philosophy and application, the brand's market positioning, and some strategic considerations. I then backed up the garment analysis here in this Figma document. Then I realized I actually forgot to add the screenshots for the pricing, so I included the context for the pricing. Then the Custom GPT did a price point analysis. This includes information for all 3 pieces and compares the pricing for each piece. Then the output gave me an in-depth explanation of the market positioning for each of the price tiers related to each of the 3 pieces. Next, I added screenshots from competitors Rafa and Universal Colors. Each screenshot included the description, a photo of the model wearing the garment, and the pricing. Then the Custom GPT gave me the full comparative analysis between MAAP, Rafa, and Universal Colors. Design features for each brand are compared, as well as material and construction, price point and value, and branding and market position. Then it wrapped all of the key comparisons up nice with a bow in this table, which I then backed up in the Figma board. This entire process took about 30 minutes, and I learned everything I feel like I need to know about this brand. Tomorrow, I'll spend another 30 minutes on a different brand, and then the next day, a different brand. If you end up doing this hundreds of times over the course of a year, you're going to develop an insane eye for fashion, for different brands. You'll stay up to date on all the trends and all the upcoming designers. And overall, your taste will improve, which will open more doors for you, whether you are a brand owner, a creative director, or a fashion designer. If you want access to this whiteboard, as well as my other whiteboards and the Custom GPT, link is in the description. If you want to see a video on how I built the Custom GPT, let me know. I'm not sure if my audience really cares so much about the nitty-gritty of the AI stuff, but if there's interest, I'll make content about it. If you learned something new or found this valuable, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.